Have you ever asked an Israeli a simple yes or no question and got Yalla, Sababa, Nireh? So was that a yes, a no, or a maybe? Today, I'll show you how Israelis actually answer questions and what they really mean. I'm Sasson, a native Israeli, and this is Hebrew with Sass, where you learn Hebrew the way Israelis really speak. Let's break it down. Let's start simple. Ken means yes, but in Israel, how you say ken matters. For example, אתה רוצה לבוא מחר? Do you want to come tomorrow? If the answer is ken in a flat and neutral tone, consider it as maybe. If the answer is ken, fast and confident, that's a real yes. If the answer is ken, kind of a slow motion answer, that usually means not really. Same word, different meaning. Now, lo means no. But in Israel, no doesn't always mean never. For example, אתה בא, are you coming? If the answer is lo, that's a no. No, I'm not coming. If the answer is לא עכשיו, it means not now, but maybe later, or maybe not, we don't know, but definitely not now. If the answer is לא יודע, it means I don't know. In Israeli culture, sometimes לא just means not at this moment. Now we are getting real Israeli. Sababa literally mean cool or all good. But in conversations, it often works as yes. If you ask, רוצה להזמין pizza? Want to order pizza? If the answer is sababa, that usually means yes, sounds good. Not super excited, but definitely positive. If it was a strong no, you wouldn't hear sababa. Next one, Yalla. Yalla literally means let's go. But Israelis use it as a quick way to say yes, let's do it. For example, אתה מוכן? Are you ready? And the answer is Yalla. That means yes, let's go now. But as a side note, sometimes Yalla also means enough talking, let's move on. As in, okay, I heard you, Yalla, enough, let's move on. Or you will hear it in farewells. Yalla bye just means, okay, see you later. Okay, this one is important. Nireh means we'll see. For example, אתה בא למסיבה? Are you coming to the party? Nireh. That's a polite maybe, which often means no. If Israeli really plans to come, they usually won't say Nireh. One thing to remember, Israelis are very tone-based. Words matter, but tone, face, and timing matter more. Listen to how it's said. Let's quickly review. Ken, usually yes, but check the tone. Lo, no, but sometimes flexible. Sababa, usually yes, but sometimes just I'm okay with it. Yalla, yes, let's move. Nireh, maybe, but usually no. If you want to understand Israelis and not just the words, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit the bell so you get all new lessons as soon as they come out. Comment below which answer confused you the most. Until next time, Yalla bye.